Undergoing cancer treatment can be a lonely, scary, and emotionally challenging time. And while the patient's body receives treatment, often the patient's mind and spirit do not receive an equal measure of support. But Regina Eckel reports a unique program at Ohio Health is now addressing those critical needs.
Drawing a picture or making a greeting card. Listening to music.
You have a dog?
Petting a dog.
Yeah, what was his name?
These simple everyday activities are something we might typically take for granted. But to individuals undergoing cancer treatment, these simple things can be highly therapeutic.
There's a lot of stress in the patients undergoing both chemotherapy and radiation, and they tend to feel isolated. And what a lot of the healing arts can give them is to try to reintegrate them into a bigger whole, a feeling that they're back in the community and contributing something.
The goal with the healing arts can be to alleviate stress, depression, anxiety, but it also can give a distraction from the hospital environment, allowing a patient to mentally and emotionally leave the physical space.
Ohio Health's Healing Arts program also includes things like art at the bedside, mindfulness and relaxation techniques, and massage therapy. There's also a ceiling tile project that's been so successful that entire floors, or rather ceilings, at Grant and Riverside hospitals are covered with art. And of course, it all begins with the program's dedicated staff members and volunteers.
Simply having someone in the room with some of the patients is beneficial to them. Someone to spend a half an hour with, and if you create a nice ceiling tile out of it, it's just that much better.
For all of its apparent success, however, the effect of healing arts and other forms of alternative, complementary, integrative medicine are difficult to scientifically quantify.
At this point, I think most physicians are willing to put up with it. They may not believe in it, but they don't see any harm. But I think the practitioners believe that it's a lot more than just a placebo effect. And so one of our goals here at Ohio Health is not just to offer these, but to actually become a leader in the research, proving that it is beneficial.
Patients are able to tell you that it does make a difference, and that ought to be enough.
Ohio Health is the only Central Ohio hospital system to offer a healing arts program of this magnitude on a full-time basis. The services are offered free of charge to all cancer patients and are supported entirely by community donations.